Welcome to our video on innovative home entertainment systems. In today's world, entertainment technology is constantly evolving, and we're here to show you the latest and greatest in home entertainment systems. From immersive audio and video to personalized experiences and advanced gaming, we've got it all covered. Let's dive in. Virtual and augmented reality system. As technology continues to advance, virtual and augmented reality systems are becoming increasingly prevalent in the entertainment industry. These innovative systems can create fully immersive gaming and entertainment experiences that transport users to another world. With virtual reality headsets, users can explore new environments and interact with virtual objects in real time, while augmented reality systems can overlay digital elements onto the real world. These systems are not just limited to gaming, but can also be used for virtual tours, concerts, and even educational experiences. In the future, we can expect even more advanced virtual and augmented reality systems that will blur the line between reality and digital entertainment. With these systems, home entertainment will never be the same again. Smart home systems that integrate entertainment. As we move into the future, our homes are becoming increasingly intelligent and connected. Smart home systems that integrate entertainment, lighting, and other home functions for a seamless experience are becoming more popular. These systems use the latest technology to provide a personalized and convenient living experience. With a single voice command or tap on a smartphone, you can control your entertainment system, adjust the lighting, and even turn on your coffee maker. These smart systems offer a new level of convenience, allowing you to focus on the important things in life. The integration of these technologies creates a more immersive experience in the home, and as the technology continues to advance, the possibilities are endless. High-quality audio systems. The way we experience sound in our homes is changing. With advancements in audio technology, we can now create immersive, 3D sound that enhances our movie, music, and gaming experiences. High-quality audio systems can now be integrated into our homes, providing sound that envelops us from all angles. Whether you're watching a movie in your living room, listening to music in your bedroom, or playing games in your home theater, 3D audio can take your entertainment experience to the next level. With the right audio equipment, you can enjoy a truly immersive, high-fidelity audio experience in the comfort of your own home. Ultra-high-definition and 8K televisions. In recent years, televisions have undergone significant advancements in display technology with the emergence of ultra-high-definition and 8K resolutions. These advancements provide a level of picture quality that was once thought impossible. With 8K resolution, viewers can experience incredible levels of detail and clarity, allowing for a truly immersive entertainment experience. From movies to sports and everything in between, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with smart TV capabilities, users can easily access their favorite streaming services and control their entire home entertainment system with the touch of a button. The future of home entertainment is looking bright with the latest advancements in display technology. Advanced streaming services. The world of home entertainment is changing rapidly, and one of the most exciting developments is the rise of advanced streaming services and content delivery methods. With cloud-based gaming, you can play the latest games without needing to own a powerful gaming console or computer. And with instant access to movies and TV shows, you can watch your favorite content whenever you want. Additionally, there are new services that provide access to live sports and events, as well as personalized recommendations based on your viewing habits. As technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to even more innovative ways to enjoy home entertainment. Interactive and personalized experiences. As technology advances, our home entertainment systems are becoming more personalized and interactive. AI assistants can now recommend content based on our viewing habits, making it easier than ever to find something new to watch. Additionally, some entertainment systems now offer interactive experiences that allow viewers to become a part of the action. For example, some video games and movies use augmented or virtual reality to provide immersive experiences that blur the line between reality and fantasy. These advancements are bringing a new level of enjoyment and engagement to our home entertainment systems. Multi-room audio and video systems. Multi-room audio and video systems are becoming increasingly popular, offering a flexible and seamless way to enjoy entertainment throughout the home. With advanced technology and wireless connectivity, it's possible to control music and video from a central hub, playing different content in different rooms at the same time. Whether you're having a party, relaxing in the living room, or working in your home office, multi-room systems allow you to enjoy your favorite music, movies, and TV shows wherever you are. With the ability to customize each room's settings and preferences, you can create the perfect entertainment experience for every occasion. Advanced gaming systems. In recent years, gaming has become an increasingly popular form of home entertainment. And with advancements in technology, we can expect even more immersive and advanced gaming systems in the future. One example is cloud-based gaming, which allows users to access games on demand from anywhere, without the need for expensive hardware. Additionally, cross-platform play enables gamers to play with others on different consoles, expanding the player pool and creating new social opportunities. These innovations, along with improved graphics and AI, promise to revolutionize the gaming experience and make it an even more exciting and engaging form of home entertainment. Thanks for watching our video on innovative home entertainment systems. We hope you're inspired to upgrade your home entertainment experience and enjoy all that technology has to offer. Stay tuned for more exciting tech videos.